Hi guys, it's wee Mark here. I'm on the outskirts of Stonehaven again, and I'm on Ruby. So we're going to go for a little wee ride. Just get my gloves on. Let me just put the helmet up a bit, guys, because my scarf that's better, it was in my mouth. Swallowing some headscarf. Yeah, so the temperature's up to date. Let me just press the mode button before we get going, and we'll tell you what the temperature is. According to that, it says it's 11.2, but when I left the house, it was actually the sensor on the garage was reading 9.4. So we're going to head up towards Dunnottar Castle and the War Memorial just under the branches of the tree at the top of the hill. So what we'll do is we're going to go ride down into Stonehaven, through Stonehaven and out the other side, and we'll head there. So let's get going. Let's get going. Right. Away we go. Nothing coming. So this is a quick ride out because I've got a blood test in an hour's time and it's rather windy. So there's Stonehaven, the birthplace of Mr. Thompson, the inventor of the pneumatic wheel. There you go. Apparently tomorrow's supposed to be fair as well, but a bit cooler, a bit less wind. So we shall wake up in the morning and take it from there, because I don't believe in these weather forecasts. How's the cowie doing? Right. Stay there, Mr. Beetle. Stay there. Copy supermarket. Before it was Copy, it used to be a Summerfield. Right, I'll take up my visor. Red Robin. Never actually been in there. They do take away sandwiches and teas and coffees, etc. Christmas lights up there. There's a Christmas tree in Stonehaven Square. The Beef King. I don't know if that's open yet. There's been various takeaways. There's the car and chippy. Now, just not going left this time, we're going right. So there's the cop shop and the Citizens Advice. And this is Dunnottar Avenue. So that's a house that my mum was brought up in. Back in she was born in 1942. She was my best friend, was my mum. This is the vaccination centre in there to my right. That's where I go for my B12. Now, once upon a time, the A92 went up there, guys. Up the Bervie Braes, but it's pedestrian only now. This is when the sniffles come on, isn't it? Now this to my right is kind of Denotter Woods. I thought it might be quite damp here today, but yeah, it's dry, but we're just taking our time today. I've got actually my RST boots on, and I've not exactly ridden my bike with these on. They feel a bit slippy on the pegs somehow. I've normally been wearing my Vans, and they've got a nice rubber sole when they're slightly elevated, and you get a nice slightly raised feel to them. Now if you go down there, that is where the Shell House is. I went to visit there. I haven't been there since I was a kid. And to my left here, this is the Denotter Reservoir Tower, dating back to 1880, I think it is, guys. Could be wrong, but yeah. So it's been lying empty for quite a while. So we'll take you up this road. I've never actually been up here, so it's new for me and it's new for you. I was watching Drone on 29 last night. I was so happy for Colin getting his Gorilla back. Driving out the industrial estate, and he just said it was like a different bike. Colin, I'm real chuffed for you. Well chuffed. For walking the dogs. Geez, they're big. They're like wolfhounds or something. No. Thanks, folks. Give him a wave. Nice smile. Don't know why I've never come up here before. Tree being over, look at the roots. Never known that as a kid, guys, trees falling over when I was younger. Right, this building here, I'll just stop. This was an old radio station, and I can't remember when it closed down, guys, but there was a lot of radio signals came out of here when the Piper Alpha in the late 80s, that horrible disaster happened, 1987. This relayed a lot of messages to rescue boats, etc. from here apparently, and it's sitting dormant. So apparently the building's in further stage than disrepair. I think it's just about knocking down, but as you can see, they've put a huge metal fence around it. There's like the lookout tower, because you're kind of in an elevated position here, so it looks out to sea. So I presume you would, you've got a good view of the North Sea there. Now just to my right there, that's the A92. Getting a bit of cramp in my leg here. I'll stretch my legs out. A hiker. So, over there you can see the War Memorial. Wasn't a bad road till I hit this bit. So, straight ahead, guys. There you go. That is Denotter Castle. God, cheapers, I can't get my words right. That there is just over the fence is Denotter Castle. I don't know how much it costs to get in, but you have to go down the path, down the cliff, back up staircases to get to it. So, yeah, and obviously there's cars in the car park, so there's a few folk must be visiting it. And today would be a decent day. This area here, there's sometimes some urban campers parked here, because once upon a time this was the main road into Stonehaven and going south. When I was a kid, Dad used to tow the caravan in. When we got up past the Daughter Castle, we knew we were away on holiday. And then when we came here and we could see the War Memorial, we kind of knew we were home. So yeah, that's the War Memorial. My late mum used to obviously march up there with the Remembrance Day guys. Pass all round about it. I've never actually visited it. Well, because I'm a lazy bugger. Maybe I should. So this is us coming down, call this in the olden days the Bervie Braes. Just that guy will get privacy in his house now. Well, I haven't been here for years, so we'll go down here and turn. Obviously you have a lot of walkers, road is closed. Should I put up my visor? So we'll just stop here a minute, guys. And put up my visor. My glasses are messed up. I'll leave the bike running. I'll disconnect my heated gear. So, this is Stonehaven Harbour. We'll wait for this young chap to come past. So this is Stonehaven Harbour, guys. As the other week there, you can see that I drove round there on the bike. So it's kind of low tide at the moment. Yeah. So you can obviously see there's a lot of people come up here for a walk. That is Stonehaven. Let's go down and see the sticker board. I'll maybe get a sticker for Ferg again. We'll put one up there. Yeah, fantastic. So there's a sitting platform down there, so you could imagine if it was a nice day, guys, taking a flask and sitting there with some sandwiches and just enjoying that. Fantastic, eh? So there's the main road away in the distance, in the bypass. And yeah, there's Rui. So this would be a horrible road in the winter time, wouldn't it? So yeah, there you go. I think there's a bird's nest in that tree. Yeah, so we'll just let you take it in. There's a wee dog away in the distance in the sand. Oh, it's back up in the road. Folk out walking. So there you go, guys. I think what we'll do is we'll end the video there and let you enjoy it, and we'll bring you back. Okay, guys. Thanks. We'll leave you one more view. Thanks for watching and hope you enjoy it. Bye now.